One couple of Salungphom Kang Thok Chau in Heirok Assembly constituency were hospitalized at Raj Medicity after they were allegedly physically assaulted by non-masked persons using hockey sticks while they were sleeping on the 30th of January late night. The injured couple have been identified as Farichabam Anoy, 43 years, son of P.H. Tolamu, and his better half Mai Pakpi of Salungphom Kang Thok Chau. The incident took place on 13 January night at around 10:30 p.m. while the couple were sleeping inside a farmhouse. Apart from physically assaulting Anoy with a hockey stick, the unidentified persons also fired several rounds of gunshots and destroyed vegetables grown at the farm. Anoy was badly injured in the assault and his condition is said to be critical. Mai Pakpi, wife of Anoy, told reporters that a non-masked man entered their farmhouse at around 10:30 p.m. and knocked on the door. She said that after her husband opened the door, the unknown persons entered the house and started beating her husband black and blue inside the hut. She said that the unmasked persons also left her husband thinking that he had died. She narrated that when she shouted for help, locals arrested the sport and evacuated them to the hospital. Later, they were discharged from the hospital and condition of her husband is said to be critical, she said. On hearing the news, a team of Taubal District Police led by Taubal SP Jogesh Chandra Haubijam arrived to inquire the incident, saying that the incident has been investigated. The SP disclosed that some suspects have been identified and they will be arrested soon. Meanwhile, strongly denouncing the attack, locals staged a sit-in protest at Salungphom Mayai Laikai, Kaitil Machai yesterday. The protesters put up placards reading, "Produce the culprits, do not cause pool-related violence, book the culprits at the earliest," and others. The protesters also demanded the opening of a police outpost at Salungphom to prevent pool-related violence.